Hello. Welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about how to assign products and template to a private store. So in this video we will see, assign product to a private store, add store-specific price for private store, set discounted price or markup price to store, and assign template to private store. So, let's see how we can add it in admin. Go to the admin, click on products, go to specific product, click on add button or click on action, and then on edit button. Here you can see this product is assigned to a default store, and a specific store, which is you can see it over here, on the Medicare. If you want to select department specific as well, then also you can click on department specific, and you can select the store, along with the departments. So this was how you can create this product with the store, or department specific. Then, how to add pricing. Just go in pricing section. Here you can see default store price. So right now this price is, let's say for example from 1 to 100. The price is $2.73 per quantity. If you want to create some other price for the store, just click on Medicare. And here you can see price from 1 to 100, quantity is $2.30, or you can change the range as well. So, all the options are available. Now, if the product which you have already created for default store, and you just want to assign it to a specific store, then how can you manage that? That, just go in store. So for example, if we take action, and go to the product section. So here you can see all the assigned products will be visible over here. And, unassign the products which are not assigned to this specific store. You can assign those products to this store. Once you will click on Add Activities button and save it. It will be assigned and this product will be visible. Now, the pricing will be matter depending on the edit section, what you have taken. Let's see if you have taken markup type as discount, or markup. So if there is a markup type as discount, what does it means? It means your customer of this tool will get 10% discounted price from the default store price, and markup means 10% additional price from the default store. So if you are choosing flat 10%, that is fine. If you want to customize it, then there is a product markup. Here, once you will assign it, you can do the custom as well for the assigned products. So if you want to take any custom price, you can take 5%, 8%, 7%. That is in reference to defaults to basic price. So, till now we have seen how to add product, then how to add pricing, and then how to add product directly to the store. Now we will see how we can add templates to a specific store. For that, just go in Templates section, Product Templates, and click on Add button. Here you need to select for which store you're creating this template. Suppose you're creating a template for Yummy Restaurant, just select the private store as Yummy Restaurant. If there is a specific department template, then you can select the department as well. If there is for entire store, you don't need to select this department, and apart from the department, if it's a customer specific, then also you can select customer name as well. So, if there is any customer related to this department, that will just need to put 3 letters, and the customer name will auto-populate, and then, rest of the things you need to just follow how you add the templates. That's it. So in that way, you can assign templates and products to a specific store. If you have any queries and concern, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.